up, guys? Welcome to another video. Now today, very excited about this video. This is gonna be a little episode, so to say, of just adding on to the car, but these are the main parts. I'm probably gonna buy more in the future, not gonna cap. But anyways, as you can see, it's a turbocharger. So we're gonna be turbocharging my 1992 Honda Accord, so we're gonna go through the parts of what I got and show you everything. Obviously, we'll start with this one because this is the star of the show, so to say. But my name's Turner Candor, your host. Alright, starting off, we're gonna talk about this turbo. So, head comparison, because I want to see that, because I haven't seen it up to anybody's head yet. So, this is a GT30. It's got a 5-bolt flange. It's a TO4E, I think, or T40E or something like that. Anyways, 5 bolts for the exhaust. This is where exhaust comes out, and this is where it mounts on to the manifold. Is a T3. So that's the turbo. We're gonna do my manifold because the turbo goes onto my manifold. Now for the motor I have an F22 B2 4-cylinder Honda Accord 1992. You get it. So for some reason, I couldn't find a lot of information about compatibility, and what I did said that I can't Frankenstein manifolds onto this block. So I had to go with this. This is the best one I found. I want to say it was like $73 or something like that. But anyways, it is a level mount, which is that. So moving on to the next one. So on the turbocharger, you need oil return lines and oil lines in general. So off eBay every other day. But I got more lines and adapters. I have a lot of adapters in here. So this goes on the bottom of the turbo. That attaches to that, this attached to that, and then this goes on that somehow. I just have a whole bunch of stuff. This is actually for my oil pan because you're supposed to drill a hole in your oil pan because oil pans don't have holes standard. So we'll get to that. I have another oil pan. Anyways, that goes in your oil pan. I have something else to replace this because I'm not using that. Then I just have these really cool lines. They have blue and red on them, and that's kind of the color scheme I'm going for, is blue and red. So really cool color. And I'll take them out of the baggie so you can see. Yeah, that looks nice. So the car will be red when I'm done with it. I'm not gonna say what kind of red, and I'm not gonna say any more than that. So I guess if you want to see the car in the future, you're actually watching. So hit the like, subscribe, because gonna be doing a lot of pretty cool stuff to this car other than this stupid eBay turbo build. Because I got a lot of plans for this car. Anyways, next up is this right here. Like I said, oil pan. So we'll get to it. Just don't mind me. My oil pan is pretty small. I thought it was a little bigger than this. It's not. Nothing exciting about this. It is just a standard F22 B2 oil pan. Here's my plug. It is in there, so I'm not going to try to get it out. But if you come a little closer, I will show you where to drill a hole. So if this goes on like that, you would need to drill a hole on this side. You want it above your oil level, so your oil line isn't being constantly flooded by oil, so it goes down easier and does just get drowned, so to say. I mean, that's not the right wording, but I'm sure you get what I mean. So you don't want to drill it right here. You want to have a hole for your oil return higher onto the oil pan. So there's my new oil pan. Nothing much to say about that. Moving on. All right, next on is my intercooler. You need an intercooler to cool down air. As stupid as it sounds, but it's very important because air gets hot. There's a friction. If you don't believe me, go back to science class. Anyways, This is my intercooler. If I can open a box, I will show you the intercooler. Anyways, this is my intercooler. Nothing fancy about it. It's just an intercooler. Not much to say. It's got pre-welded mounts and all that fun stuff on this. We're all good. We're moving on to the hopefully that's good. Anyways, the piping. Very important because this is what goes onto the intercooler. I have a lot of I have like two of everything. So straight curves, elbows, I guess you could call them. Smaller curves or smaller elbows and more smaller elbows. And I have 4 of these. Good, not only does it have this and that, it also has a whole package of this. So yeah, it's got red and black, which is also kind of what it's gonna look like at the end. And then we got a whole bunch of clamps that the person that packed this box didn't put them properly, so they just fell out of the bag. But we probably have 20 of these. There's a lot in here. I'm pretty sure it's self-explanatory to why we have these. You put the pipes together, you put one of those rubber things on, whatever it is, silicone, I don't know. Then you put one of these on it and bolt it down so it holds in place. So moving on. I think it's obvious what this is. Not much to say about it. Exhausts are really expensive, or should be very expensive. Now, like I said, this is an eBay build. This exhaust was like $130, $130. It didn't even come close to $200. There's more to it. There's the part that goes extended, the part right before your cat. I don't have a cat. Well, I do have a cat, but it's off my car currently. And the exhaust, there's a second part that I've ordered for my exhaust that connects it to the turbo. And from the turbo, it goes to my exhaust. That part was also, I want to say it was like 80 bucks. So altogether in exhaust fees, I have a ballpark of $230, $240. Now that's quick math. I really am not even, that's just a guess. So don't quote me. Don't be like, you don't know how to add. Anyways, this has removable baffles in the exhaust. Haven't touched them yet. So you can see the screws right there that you would unscrew and slide those baffles out. I'm gonna leave them in for now, just until I get the car completely finished. The other part I don't have here. It's coming Monday, and so is the thing for my wastegate. So when that does come here, I'll show them to you. But other than that, we're gonna start moving towards finishing the car, building the turbo, and all of that. Now, I just wanna say, if you are still watching, I'm excited for it. I'm stoked. I can't stop thinking about it. We're talking about it, obviously. So thank you guys for watching, and enjoy the video, and peace out.